Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are sharing a beautiful collection of Mizo Sunday dresses. Their dresses are simple, elegant, and full of traditional beauty. People in Mizoram wear them on Sundays, especially when going to church, family gathering, and special events. Every dress has its own unique style. Some designs have bright colors, while others are soft and simple. The beautiful patterns and traditional fabrics make this outfit look graceful and attractive. Mizo Sunday dresses are not only fashionable but are represented the rich culture and traditional of Mizoram. They are designed to be comfortable, modest, and perfect for women of all ages. Many people love these dresses because they combine traditional with modern fashion. If you enjoy traditional clothing and cultural fashion, the beautiful dresses designed will surely inspire you. Which dresses did you like the most? Tell us in the comment below. We would love to hear your favorite design. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumb up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more beautiful dresses collections, crochet ideas, and fashion inspirations. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.